Good afternoon. This is Mark Harvey with On the Market Appraisals. I just wanted to stop in and quickly show you some extra features that we put on to our website this afternoon. That's my dog scratching at the door because he wants to go out and play because it's a beautiful day in San Antonio, Texas. And first and foremost, I just want to show you this page. I'm an entrepreneurial through and through, even though I do not like that term. I am just a bona fide hustler. But anyways, good buddy of mine, Gary at Total Outdoor Lighting, is putting up Christmas lights. This is his bread and butter. He's been doing it for almost a decade, and I am helping him install and get some business going because I enjoy doing the Christmas lights installation more than doing the appraisals. From time to time, you get a lot better response. You know what I mean? So anyways, that being said, call Gary, or you can give me a call to get a quote and get you on the schedule. Also, I added a page, an informative podcast from Spotify. So I'll probably tweak this with more structure and whatnot, but the intake of information that I bring into the fold on a daily basis is important. And it's important in any profession, but especially as an appraiser, to have a full understanding and holistic viewpoint of the economy, the trends internationally, worldly views, and also get into the nitty gritty of the micro trends and what's going on in the backyard of your particular marketplace. To find the ins and outs and be fully informed so you can give your clients the best information available so they can make the most informed decision in real estate purchasing, refinancing, what have you, investing. And this is some of the channels I have here. So we have a Brews and Appraisal Views podcast. The Appraisal Coach podcast is one of the most popular figures out there in the appraisal world. Cody Sanchez, she is a entrepreneurial spirit right up the road in Austin. I've been following her for quite some time. She's a great listen, and I just love getting some great ideas, and eventually I will implement that into my own life too. There's another real estate podcast. Dan Coe is a self-help guru. Love it. Whenever I need a virtual or a mental kick in the behind, I go to Dan Coe, and he sets me straight every time. And there's another, this is actually a great podcast from Brews and Appraisal Views podcast. Appraisers on Purpose has great guests on a weekly basis. He's been doing his thing for quite some time, and he's got a stranglehold on what he is giving out information wise. It's great. It's a little niche for sure. Being an appraiser is not everybody's cup of tea, but if you're just a complete nerd and you want to geek out with numbers and algorithm talk and whatever the case would be, this is your jam. So appraisers are very weird in that sense. So that is that. So this is my website. Come and visit me. And if you need an appraisal in the San Antonio, New Braunfels, Austin corridor, throughout the Hill Country, Fredericksburg, all the way down to Lavernia, Floresville, all the way over to Casterville, Poth, Poteet, and Helotes. That's where my heart is. That's where I grew up, just outside of Helotes on the northwest side of San Antonio. Anyways, happy Sunday. Have a great week. God bless.